In order to achieve the energy transition that's needed to address our environmental goals, address climate change, and even to create economic growth, the world needs batteries. Batteries to electrify our transportation sector, and batteries to integrate renewable energy on the grid, more wind and solar on the grid. Batteries today are expensive and there are not enough of them. However, there's a huge supply of batteries coming down the pipeline in the form of electric vehicles. And when those electric vehicles are being retired or for different reasons are being taken off the road, there's a huge resource of these electric vehicle batteries that we can repurpose and put to use on the grid. That's something that sounds really great from a theoretical point of view, but it's very hard to do in practice because you're taking battery packs that were engineered for one purpose and trying to re-engineer them for another purpose. And to do that safely, reliably, economically, and make a business out of it is something that's really challenging. That's what Smartville's trying to accomplish.
We're trying to achieve electric vehicle battery repurposing at a scale, how to do it cost effectively and how to do it with all the EV battery that in the market. So our specific technology working with different generations, makes and model of batteries, we develop a building block design that can work with those batteries. We develop a machine learning based qualification approach that can efficiently sort through and certify batteries, allow them to be used in stationary use. We also develop proprietary control of those battery systems, allow them to unify the performance and provide extended service life in the field of stationary storage. Smartville is doing electric vehicle battery repurposing. So the first question, of course, why repurposing? So imagine in electric vehicle, you have a fuel tank that the fuel was rated for a lifetime of the vehicle and maybe beyond. So compared to a traditional ICE cars, you fill gas, you use up, you fill gas again. But the particular asset I'm talking about, lithium-ion battery pack here in an electric vehicle, the value actually filled at the moment they are built. And those value precedes even vehicle retires, meaning vehicle out of service, the pack may even have values for thousands or even up to 2,000 cycles beyond. Our mission is to optimize the cycle value of those batteries to unleash as much as the energy storage capacity as it can. And I believe that mission can result in tremendous energy storage capacity to being utilized and bring sustainability to our society.
The idea for Smartville started in an academic setting, in a laboratory at UC San Diego, funded by a research grant from the Department of Energy's ARPA-E program. Taking something that's successful in the lab and trying to turn that into a product and into a business is something that is very hard to do. And we owe CalSEED a lot of gratitude for that success. CalSEED provided us the initial funding, the initial resources to found the company and to start putting the pieces in place that we can pull the technology out of the lab into the real world. Because energy storage is really the key technology to achieving a clean transportation sector, having clean cars powered by sustainable energy on our roads. And energy storage is really the key technology to having a renewable powered grid.